Good morning dear students, solid state. In this video, we are going to discuss about easy way to calculate packing efficiency in body centered cubic. Easy way to calculate packing efficiency in body centered cubic. Packing efficiency or packing fraction, packing efficiency or packing fraction is equal to total volume occupied by spheres in a unit cell. We are going to calculate body centered cubic, therefore the unit cell here is taken as PCC unit cell. Total, this word indicate what is the total number of atom in body centered cubic? 2. Volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. In 4 by 3 pi r cube, we have to find out that R value. Volume of the unit cell is a constant value for cubic unit cell. We are studying only cubic unit cell. In cubic unit cell, all the edge length are equal. Therefore, volume of the unit cell A into A equal to A cube. To calculate packing fraction or packing efficiency, first of all we have to calculate volume occupied by sphere by using the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. We require R value, that R value is determined by using this Pythagoras theorem. Then that value is multiplied by total number of atom in body centered cubic unit, that is 2. This is our body centered cubic unit cell in which there is one center atom, body center atom, and all the corners atom is touching the body centered atom, but they are not touching with each other. The corners atom only in contact with the body centered atom. We know what is Pythagoras theorem. In any triangle, AC squared equal to AB squared plus BC squared in ABC triangle. And if you want to draw a line, that line must be passed through the body centered atom. To form a triangle, the line must be passed through the body centered atom. In face centered cubic, if you draw a triangle, that a triangle line must be passed through the face center atom, here body center atom. This is A, B, C, D. One square is over. Then starting with here, E, F, G, H. These length are A and starting from this up to this, the edge length is A. We know the value of AB is A. Starting from this up to C, this point, the value is edge length A. Starting from C and up to G, the value is A. The distance between any 2 points in the cubic is A. Now, I am going to draw a separate line. That line passes through the body centered atom. Here you have one semisphere. So, starting from this, if I draw the line, diagonal line, to form a triangle, this line passes through the semisphere, radius equal to R. Then again, body centered, one radius is over, another one radius is over. Then third semisphere, starting from this up to this radius, 4 R value. And to form a triangle, again a diagonal AC is joined. Now, triangle ACG form a triangle. First we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. AC squared, AG squared equal to AC squared into CG squared. AG value we know, but CG value we know, but we don't know AC value. To calculate AC value, first this triangle is taken. What is a triangle? N triangle ABC. Apply Pythagoras theorem. N triangle ABC. Apply Pythagoras theorem. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square, or AC equal to root of AB square plus BC square. That is equal to AB value small a, BC value small b. Substitute these two values. So here a squared plus a square, AB value a, BC value b equal to root of 2a square, that is equal to root 2 end a, this is AC. But our line must be passed through the body center atom. To calculate this value, we apply one more triangle, Pythagoras theorem. Now, N, what is our triangle? Our triangle is N ACG. Apply the Pythagoras theorem. AG square, this line pass through the body center atom. AC square plus CG square, like the previous one. AG equal to root of AC square plus CG square. Value of AC we know, that we have calculated, that is equal to root of, what is the value of AC? Root 2 end A the whole square plus CG value. CG value is, from the figure we can write A square. That is equal to root 2 square equal to 2 A square plus here also A square. 2A square plus A square, that is equal to 3A square. So, AG equal to root 3 end A square. Now, we know the value of AG, radius value. So, once again I write here AG equal to root 3 A square. What is our AG value? AG value cover how many radius? 4 radius. Semicircle 1 radius, full circle 2 radius, semicircle 1 radius. So, what is the value of AG in the form of radius? 4 or radius equal to root 3 end A square. A square becomes A, correct? A. That is equal to root 3A. Root 3A or R equal to root 3 by 4A. By knowing R, root 3 by 4A, first we can calculate the volume occupied by sphere in the unit cell, then total volume, then divided by volume of the unit cell. Finally, we will calculate packing efficiency or packing fraction. Volume occupied by the unit cell. Volume occupied by spheres in the unit cell. That is equal to, what is the formula? 4 by 3 pi r cube. R value we know. Substitute that R value. 4 by 3 end pi. What is our R value? Root 3 A by 4 the whole cube. That is equal to 4 by 3 end pi, root 3 end root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 equal to 3 into root 3 a cube divided by 4 into 4 into 4, 64. Now we can cancel sum of the value. 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3. Then we can cancel one more value. 1 4 is 4, 16 4s are 64. 1 4 is 4, 16 4s are 64. What is our numerator value? Root 3 end pi a cube divided by 16 is the volume occupied by the sphere in the unit cell. Now, total volume occupied by spheres. So, total volume occupied by sphere in the unit cell is equal to, that the total word indicate that total number of atom we are discussing about BCC. Therefore, total number of atom is 2 in body centered cubic lattice. 2 into root 3 pi a cube by 16. This is our numerator quantity in calculating packing fraction. What is our denominator quantity? Volume of the unit cell. We are studying cubic unit cell. Therefore, A give a cube. This is our denominator quantity. Shall we calculate the packing fraction? Packing fraction or packing efficiency equal to, what is the numerator? Numerator is 2 into root 3 pi a cube by 16 whole divided by a cube into 100. Bring the a cube to the numerator. Now it becomes 2 into root 3 pi a cube by 16 into 1 by a cube into 100. What are the quantities? You can cancel. 1 a cube get cancelled. 1 2 is 2, 8 2s are 16. Now our value is root 3 pi divided by 8 into 100. 1 8 is 8. In 100, how many 8s are there? In 100, 10, 1 8 is 8, remaining 220, 2 8s are 16, remaining 4 40, 5 8s are 40. Root 3 value we know, 1.732 end, pi value 3.14 end, then 12.5. When you multiply these three quantities, finally you will get the final percentage is 68%. Packing fraction, that word implies that 68% of the available volume is occupied by the sphere. How many sphere? 8 spheres in the corner and 1 sphere in the body center. The available space is used more efficiency than in simple cubic packing. In simple cubic, the packing fraction is only 52.33%. In body centered cubic, the packing fraction is 68%. That indicate one more atom is present at the body center. How to calculate the free space? This is volume occupied by the spheres in body center. Free space we can calculate by subtracting this quantity from 100. 100 minus 68. 10 to 9, 3, 32 percentage free space without any sphere, free space present in body centered. So, this is very easy way to calculate the packing fraction in body centered cubic lattice. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share the video and like the video. Thank you very much.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara. Yes. Okay, thank you.